Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm all glammed up because festive season is coming, so obviously you need something to glam yourself up. And you need makeup tutorials that would help you in getting ready for your for your festival. Obviously Diwali, Navratri, and the Shera is coming. All the ladies will be glammed up on these days. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get ready for the festive season, and let's see how I created this beautiful nice fuchsia lip and a golden lid and a brownie eye, smoky kind of an eye. So yeah, without any further, so first of all, we'll use Maybelline strobe cream mixed with some, moisturizer onto the top, onto the high points of the face, like the nose and cheek area and the forehead. So yeah, you can see how glowy the skin looks. And after that, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 104, and I'm gonna use this dense brush to spread the foundation. You should spread this foundation very quickly, and you should work, one portion by portion with this foundation because this dries really quick. So you should work really quick with this, and you can see this foundation looks really pretty in person as well as in photo. So I really like this foundation. It's a medium coverage foundation, and yeah, you can see it spreads really well and gives a really nice even look to the skin. And now I'm gonna apply the biotic lip balm before applying my lipstick, because the lipstick gonna be really dry, so I'm gonna be prepping the lips. And now I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sable and just prime my eyes for the eyeshadow, and this concealer works really well. So after that, I'm gonna use the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact to set my eyelids in place so that the concealer doesn't move. And yeah, and now I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rose in the Air. I'm gonna use this transition shade, a muddy transition shade, and apply it above my crease, and till the crease you should apply this, and above that as well. Now I'm going to use this orangey shade, and I'm going to deepen my crease with this. The same I'm going to do on the other eye as well. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade to deepen my outer corner, and I'll take this till the middle section of the eyelid. And you should not take it above the crease, it should be below the crease only. And yeah, I'm gonna do the same on the other eye as well, and making a V. So yes, blending it really well. Now I'm gonna use a kajal. This kajal is all dried up but I got this only to use, so that's why I'm using this. You can use any kajal you have. So I'm gonna just really lightly put this on the top of the eye and below the waterline as well, for a smoky kind of a look. To smoke out the lower lash line, I'm going to mix a brown and a transition shade to just lighten it up. And I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow in the shade Champagne, and I am going to put this on my eyelid, and this looks bomb. It's such a beautiful liquid eyeshadow, and just rupees 199. I think it's a steal. You should definitely have it. And I love this eyeshadow. And here I'll just dab it, and just I'll lower the intensity of this. You can see before for light intensity eyeshadow, this is how it looks. And if you want to just increase the intensity, this is what it will look like. It looks so beautiful in person. You should definitely check this one out. And yeah, I'm just gonna mixing the both the eyeshadows so that it looks even and nicely done. And now I'm gonna just do my eyebrows with the dark brown shade in the eyeshadow palette only. I'm gonna take this dark brown shade and use it as the contouring shade for my cheekbones and my nose. It just gives a really nice contour. It's a cool toned brown, so it is really good for the contouring. And now I'm gonna use the false eyelashes, and after that I'm gonna use this cherry shade for the blush. It's cherry fuchsia kind of a shade mixed, so I really like this for the blush because I'm gonna use the same toned lipstick, so that is how it will complement. And yeah, I'll just put it all over my cheek and nose. This is the motion you should put the blush in, and this is how the eye look, and it looks beautiful. I'm gonna just wipe out this lip balm and use this Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Wine and Shine, my all-time favorite shade. This is the shade you can wear and just look. It looks beautiful in itself only. You just need nothing, and this is the perfect shade for festive season. I love this. It's such a dark fuchsia shade. I really like it. Now we're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact and set the face. And if anything is really dark or patchy, a compact is always handy to just lighten it up and just blend this everything in place. And this is how I look. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, and yeah, keep watching.